Alright, we just had a major downfall or downpour, so everything's laying down. But I'm gonna take a quick run. Oof. Just show you one really cool thing that just came out. The pawpaw's getting full. Check this guy out. This is a tulip poplar. He's first year he's produced any flowers. They are beautiful. You usually don't get to see them because they're so high up. A lot of my favorite ferns are getting covered up, but we'll give them a break. Might do this in 2 parts. I'm not a big fan of the really long vids. Blueberries are very thick this year. That's because of the rain, or they just having a good day. Year. Gotta clean that up before the kids come for July 4th. Yeah, all the berries are doing really well this year. Ooh, the black raspberries, blackberries, red raspberries. Strawberries are doing alright. Okay, I'm gonna cut it now and start again as I get towards the creek.